Today we'll talk about how can you disable email notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on account down here, and you just click here on account. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here. Then you click here on communication here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. You come here to email, click in this sign or this color like you see. So just switching to open video here, like you see color is gone. That's mean email notification disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.